Hello everyone, I am Navya Sehgal, student of class plus 2 Humanities. Welcome to the SVM News. The news headlines are: SVM Malekotla achieves 100% results in CBSE class 10th examinations. Tavleen Kaur, student of class 10th, selected as ISRO Young Scientist. Baisakhi Festival, a beautiful blend of faith and learning celebrated at school. Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti, celebrated with House-wise quiz competition. Students excel in Narayan Talent Search Examination NTSE. Now, the news in detail. Sarvat Karya Vidya Mandir Malekotla has once again brought laurels to the institution by delivering an outstanding performance in the CBSE Class 10th board examinations. Lagandhir emerged as the school topper with an excellent exceptional result, 98.2%, followed by Yashika Kinger, who secured 97.6%, and Vikram Goyal with an impressive 97% marks. The result stands as a testimony to the dedication of students and the committed efforts of the teaching faculty. Notably, 6 students scored above 95%, 29 students secured above 90%, and 57 students achieved more than 80%, reflecting the school's consistent academic excellence. The school president, Mr. Kamal Netrvadhavan, and principal, Ms. Janki Pandey, congratulated the students, staff, and parents for this remarkable achievement. They appreciated the collective efforts and motivated students to continue pursuing excellence. Tavleen Kaur, a meritorious 10th grade student of SVM Malekotla, has been selected for the Young Scientist Program Yuvika 2026 organized by ISRO. She has earned her place in the list of the top 350 students from across the entire country and will now participate in a special residential training program at the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing in Dehradun from May 11 to May 22, 2026. This is an extremely proud moment for the school. In a beautiful blend of faith and learning, Sarvat Karya Vidya Mandir Malekotla celebrated the auspicious occasion of Baisakhi with great religious and cultural fervor. To mark the day, students of classes 3rd and 4th visited Gurdwara Sahib Ratola and nearby farms, an experience that enriched them with spiritual values, gratitude for nature, and a deeper understanding of a rich agricultural heritage. Simultaneously, the creative spirit of the school was on display as the students from classes 6 to 8 participated in a vibrant poster-making competition. To mark the 135th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the school organized a spirited house-wise quiz competition for students of classes 9th and 10th. In a display of impressive knowledge and quick thinking, Swami Vivekanand House secured the first position, followed by Rani Lakshmi Bai House in second, while Guruji House and Mata Gujari House followed in the rankings. The event served as a meaningful tribute to the father of the Indian Constitution, inspiring students to honor his legacy and uphold the core values of equality and justice in their daily lives. In a remarkable display of academic excellence, the students of SVM Malekotla have achieved outstanding success in the Narayan Talent Search Examination NTSE conducted by Vidya Bharati North Zone. Our brilliant scholars showcased their exceptional talent, securing a total cash prize of Rs 40,900. Leading the achievements were Akshata, class 8th, who received a cash prize of Rs 3,100, along with Drishti, class 8th, Praveer Mehta, class 5th, Garima, class 5th, and Dipanshu, class 5th, who each earned 2,100 rupees. Additionally, 9 other students received prizes of Rs 1,100 each, and 39 students were awarded Rs 500 each for their commendable performance. This significant milestone reflects the dedication of both students and the staff, further cementing the school's reputation for fostering high competitive standards and intellectual growth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.